Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben. Let's get it. All right. Let's go, guys. The market is dropping right in front of your eyes. Let me hit that ka-ching button. Okay, let me get that ka-ching button because I know me. I know my students are making money from this. Plain and simple. So let me get that ka-ching button out here. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me get that. Because we going early with this, guys. We're going early with this. Okay? Some people seem... They don't want to listen. They rather people give them false information, false hope. And they don't want to listen to the people that are basically doing this full time. They don't want to listen to people that basically know how the market works. They rather listen to someone that sounds good, right? Or giving them information that they want to hear. So, shout out to everybody that's here that's making this money. Of course, if you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I'm a full-time trader, okay? I day trade Monday through Friday, the financial markets, and I swing trade crypto. Okay, so if this is something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay. If you don't know, understand what's going on, how me and my students are making money, we basically are taking advantage of these swings in the market. Okay. If you look at any market, I don't care what chart it is, look at any chart. The chart never goes up or down in a straight line. It has pullbacks. We are taking advantage of these pullbacks. Okay. Most people think when the market goes up, it's bullish, but it's not. Okay. It's not. I'm here to tell you that when the market goes up in the bear market, that's what it is. It's just a quick pullback, and it basically sellers basically come back in and drop the market, and it goes back down. So it is what it is. You know, some people will learn, some people won't learn. Okay, but you know, I'm here to tell you what it's gonna take. I don't know what is gonna take. How much time, or how much? Well, I guess how many times are you going to suffer because you want to do things your way? You want to go based on beliefs and not actual, not the facts. You don't want to. You want to ignore the facts and just go on your beliefs. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's making this money here. It's just, sometimes I just shake my head. Shake my head because people just want to believe something just because it's satisfying their beliefs, but reality is reality, man. I'm telling you right now, guys, reality will kick you in the butt if you don't know what you're doing. Okay? If you don't know what you're doing, reality will kick you in your butt. Your life will be much easier once you understand how things work. Okay? Imagine taking a test without studying. Okay? Imagine that. Imagine taking a test, going to school, taking a test. Do you think you would actually graduate from high school or any type of school if you didn't study? So why do you treat cryptocurrencies or anything else, different? Because honestly, guys, it's the same thing. Okay, you have to study. You have to know what's going on. If you don't, you're going to lose money. It's just what it is. You expect to read a white paper and make millions overnight. It's just not going to happen like that. Okay, these markets are maturing. Okay, this is not the same markets that we saw back in '09 where everything just goes up. These markets are maturing, and they are playing with a lot of people's emotions. And you have to understand how the market works. If you don't, you're going to get screwed. People are buying these bottoms. Okay, I'm quite sure a lot of people bought these tops. They're getting screwed right now. Okay, look at this green bar. I mean, this red bar right here. This is ugly, guys. Ugly. So why would you want your life to be harder? Honestly, I just shake my head. I don't know why you want your life to be harder. You have to understand and study the market. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see. Dom, Alex, Indranil, Mikey Diamonds, A Alien. Who else? Glenn. Let me see. Kevin. And shout out to everybody that's here. DB. Okay, so let's go over what's going on. Okay, this is just ugly, super ugly. Look at this, guys. I mean, this is just complete ugliness. Okay, but I mean, we can't be surprised. Okay, well, I'm not surprised because we talked about this multiple times. Okay, I said to you guys that when you see a crazy drop like this, actually, first, let me back up a little bit. Okay, first, we had so many chances before to go up to 10K, 11K. We didn't get there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Honestly, this third one was it. It was the chance. Honestly, if the Bulls actually had another chance right here. It was it right here. This was it. Okay. But they ran out of steam. And this is why when it comes to investing and trading, you can't have just one beliefs. You have to go with the major trend. Okay? This is why I always preach to you guys, don't fight against the trend. Don't buy these knives, because if you're buying these dips, you're buying a knife. And these knives could stab you, okay? It can make you, it can actually ruin your whole life. So we had this crazy drop right here. And I said, guys, I'm looking for consolidation. I don't expect this thing to just go straight down, okay? I'm looking for some type of consolidation. And we got it. We got it over here. We got it over here, okay? But the consolidation that we got actually started to go back up. Okay, so I was like, okay, we're going up. But overall, when we was going up, guys, it wasn't like a strong up move. Okay, this is why, I'm so glad that I'm able to, to read the charts and understand what's going on. If you look at this up move, guys, most people can't see this with their naked eye. I could see it because I've been doing this for a long time. Okay, I can see this because I've been doing this for. They said bad connection. Hold on. Let me see something, guys. Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? Somebody said bad connection. I don't know what's going on, but can you hear my voice? Let me know. Hold on. Let me see if I can do something with the internet. Okay, so basically what I was saying is when we was going up, okay, when I was going up, I mean when Bitcoin was going up, yeah, everybody's saying it's good now. Okay, no problem. So anyway, when Bitcoin was going up, okay, most people, they can't see this. Like I said, you have to have years of just looking at the chart, studying the chart, being obsessed with this stuff. I can tell the way Bitcoin was going up that this wasn't a really a healthy move. It was just going up in a choppy sense. Like it was just going up choppy. Like let me give you another example. Okay, Let's see if I can go to shout out to everybody that's here. Actually, let me give you guys a round of applause and shout out to you guys. And also, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And also, if you're watching a replay, shout out to you guys. You can actually go to settings, hit speed, and hit 1.5 or 2. You can speed up the time. Okay. And if you're tired of losing money, if you're just depressed, tired of this market going up and down, and you don't know what's going on, definitely hit that subscribe button, because I believe I can change the way you think and help you become a much better investor and trader. Okay, so let's look at BNB. Okay, this is a perfect example. Okay, now I know a lot of people was in the beginning of this market was saying BNB was bullish. Okay, and I said, I don't know about that, guys. I don't like it, because the way it's going up, I don't like how it's going up like this. It's going up very choppy. Okay, it was going up very choppy. Now, the stuff I'm telling you right now, guys, most people can't tell you this. Okay, this is based on years of experience. This is me, looking at the chart. So when I talk, especially right now, don't take this information lightly. Okay, don't take this information lightly. This is literally like 11 years of experience. Okay, so you see how the market is going up right here. You see how crazy this looks. Okay, look how smooth this looks. Right, we went up again, we popped up. You see how nice the flow is. It's very nice. Okay, now look at this. You see how it's struggling to go up. You see it's struggling. This is why I said, guys, this doesn't look bullish. It's going up, but it's going up slow, and it's choppy. Okay, and it was in a channel, so I knew that if BNB didn't break out of his channel, most likely it's going to break out of the channel to the downside, and it's going to turn bearish. Okay, and that's exactly what it did. But I'm just giving you this example because I'm trying to train your guys' eyes to understand the difference. Okay, because most people think that this up move is a bullish up move. It is not. It's just a way for the big dogs to make it seem right. It's like it's almost like a magician trying to distract you from not seeing what he's trying to do when he's trying to do his magic trick. Okay, this is a illusion right here. Okay, the market is going up, but it's so choppy. But it's taken, and if you notice, it's taking a long time for the market to go up. So that's another illusion that they can actually play with you, make it seem like this is so bullish because it's going up for a long time. Okay, it's going up for a long time, so it makes it seem like it's bullish. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, and let's go to the 4-hour, and we had the same choppiness right here. Okay, you see how it's choppy when it's going up, very choppy. Okay, and it has an illusion that this thing is bullish, but it's going up in a choppy sense. And not only is it's going up in a channel. Okay, a big channel, a big sloppy channel. So I knew that this wasn't bullish because we just came off of a big drop like this, right? If we came off a big drop like this, if you go to my previous videos, you will see that I told you, if we come off a big drop like this and we forming a channel that's going up, that usually means, especially in the bear market, that usually means continuation. Okay, so we're going up in a choppy, fashion, going up choppy, very choppy, and then this boom, this big sell-off at the top of the channel, which is, like I said, it's not surprising. I didn't know exactly when the sell was going to be, but it's not surprised. I'm not surprised that we're selling off and now we're breaking the channel. Okay, this is an ugly sell-off. I'm just trying to give you guys some game and try to help you guys understand how the market works. Now, we're gonna look at some other, coins, and I'm gonna get to some questions. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're losing money right now, trust me, I understand your pain. Me personally, during my whole career, I lost probably like over $85,000. Okay, so I know what a lot of people are going through. Okay, but I didn't give up. It's so easy to give up, guys. It's so easy. It's so easy to say, you know what, I'm done with this. And not give and basically give it up. I mean, give up and not try to better yourself. But I'm here to tell you guys that giving up is just the worst thing you can do. The worst thing you can do, because you have people like me that never went to college, and if I'm able to do this, then you can do this too. Okay. So I'm gonna get to some questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop your questions right now in the chat box, and I will get to your questions. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for chilling with me. But let me see. Let me see here if I see any questions. Shout out to Mikey Diamonds. He said he's killing it. And we'll get to that because I saw what you post. I saw how much you made. So shout out to the Mikey Diamonds making his money. Okay, let's see. The 666 Mark of the Beast. Yeah, man. Okay, let me see here. What's going on, Rachel? Rachel, I mean. Let me see. I don't think anyone is buying BTC right now. Well, you will, trust me. You'll be surprised that some people are buying this stuff, and I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. Smash these likes, yeah, definitely. Let me see. I'm reading these questions right now. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see. Okay, reading these questions here. Okay, let me see what's going on in the chat room. Aces said, so Ben, when it dropped down, what's going to happen? Okay, I'll get to that question. Actually, let me get to who said something. Let me see. Somebody said 8 Alien said, I don't think no one is buying this right now. Okay, so let me get to let me address that first, then I'll get to your question. He said he don't think no one's buying this right now, right? And honestly, guys, I used to think that too, but you have to understand, right? Most people in this crypto space are amateurs, okay? And they listen to the news and they listen to these stupid YouTubers that don't know what they talk about. Okay, so right now they are used to, you have to understand, guys, they are used to this whole year. You have to understand that their strategy, the habit that they created, okay, because that's all it is. This is a habit. They created a habit. This whole year they created a habit, and that habit is to buy the dip. Okay, so they created a habit, guys. They created a habit, and that habit is buying dips. So most people think that people are not buying this right now, but trust me, there are people out here buying this. Okay. And another reason why they buying is because they think that we are going to go back up. Okay. They don't understand how to read the charts like I do and you do. So you have to understand that this is how most people lose anyway, because they basically they don't understand. So when you saw when we reject the 68 level, how we shot down, okay, and we went right back up, okay, and we reject the 7,000 level, we shot down, we went right back up. So automatically, guys, they thinking that this is going to happen, okay? So they gonna look for they probably, some people probably bought the 68 level already, okay? And now they're gonna try to buy the 66 level, okay? So they're gonna keep on buying these different levels, just because they think the market is going up, okay? Because like I said before, they created the habit. This is why I always preach to you guys: stop buying these stupid dips, man. That's not a strategy to use this year. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you don't understand what's going on, you just lost right now. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Over here, me and my students are making money, so definitely hit that subscribe button. Let me see. Let me see here. DB said your course is the reason why I'm still at 200 from 80. So shout out to you, DB, making his money. Shout out to you. Let me give you that ka-ching button. Let me see. There was another, somebody actually, another question. I'm trying to, gosh, I'm trying to see what was that question here. Okay, so I think somebody asked me, will this thing go down lower? Let me see. And shout out to everybody that's here. I'm trying to look at a question. So anyway, I think someone asked me, will this thing go down lower? And I was trying to look at, I wanted to actually look at the daily chart, the candle. Okay, and I wanted to see how it closed. And what I'm looking at right here, guys, what I'm looking at right here with the daily candle is something that is not good for the bulls right now. Okay, so basically my last stream, I told you guys what I want to do is look at the daily candle, and I want to see if this thing closed near its lows. Okay, this daily candle closed right at the daily lows of the day. And now we are creating another candle. So this doesn't look good for the bulls at all. So this is exactly what I was looking for. Okay. Now, will we see a it Yeah, we will see a bounce. There's always going to be a bounce. Bitcoin can never go straight down, but this doesn't look good at all. It looks like continuation on top of continuation on top of continuation. Look at this, guys. As we speak, it's going down. Look, you see this, guys? As we speak, this thing is just going down. I mean, honestly, this is nuts. As we speak, this thing is just going down right in front of our eyes, guys. Even more. Look, you see it? It's crashing right in front of our eyes. Just going right down. Look at that. You see? Every little time, every second is going down. That's crazy. So let's go back to these questions here. Shout out to everybody in the crypto space right now. If you don't understand what's going on, if you're losing money, shout out to you, man. I understand your pain. I definitely understand your pain. I know what you're going through. But honestly, man, there's other ways to make money. Okay? There's other ways to make money. Stop being closed-minded. Stop thinking bullish or buy all the time. I mean, there's other ways to make money. Okay, you can actually still make money while you're holding your other cryptos. Okay, let me see. Dom said, "Big Ben, you're a legend. You the one that deserve a round of applause." Shout out to Dom. And look at this, crashing right in front of our eyes. About Moreno said, "About time this dump happened." Jared said, "I made a nice chunk short and thinking about covering. I don't want to be too greedy." I hear you, man. Yeah, you don't have to be too greedy. Shout out to you, man. Alex said, "The whales, well, you know, this is what the whales do." Eclipse says, "Should I short my TRX now?" Eclipse, do you have the course? Eclipse said, "Is Bitcoin not going down? Going to go more? Is Bitcoin not gonna go more down?" I guess you actually, is it going to go more down? Well, we're looking at this. We are watching this Bitcoin crash live right in front of your face. So yes, I mean, Bitcoin is going down. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, come on, guys. All right, this is why I tell you guys, why would you buy in a market that's going down? Okay, this is not a anyway, let's go back to questions. All right, I'm looking at, so big Dom said, "What's big BTC next stop?" Shoot. Look at this. It's crashing right in front of our face. So honestly, I don't know what next stop Bitcoin is going to be. Look at this, guys. This is nuts. All right, look at this. Every second is going down. So what's the next? Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. What's the next stop? I don't know. You know, right now, I don't know. Let's see here. What's going on, MK? With Shell, do you have the course? Because you asking about the best brokers. Do you have the course? Jared said, I don't. I'm trying to, you know, read this. Why would dump so many unless they are manipulating? You said why you don't understand this dump? Well, I don't know if that's your question, Jared. You say you don't understand why they will dump. I don't know. But this has nothing to do with manipulation, okay? I mean, every single market is manipulated, okay? But look at, guys, you see this right in front of your face? You see this what's going on? This is nuts. Okay, we are recording history right here, guys. Look at this, guys. Every second. Done deal. Look at this. This is a wrap. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so let's go to the questions, guys. Let's go to the questions. And shout out to Mikey Diamonds. Mikey Diamonds, let me know, are you still in your short? Because I think Mikey Diamonds said he was still in his short. If you're still in his short, Mikey Diamonds, let me know how much you're up right now. Let me see. So how much you up right now? Because I know you was up 1,000, right? How much you up right now, you know? Let me see here. BJ said I shorted ETH on a hunch, and I knew it wasn't over. So shout out to you, man. Shout out to everybody that's making money over here. It is what it is. You know, the trolls always come when the market goes up, but when it goes back down, they disappear. So shout out to them. But honestly, when the market was going up this time, honestly, I probably had like maybe one troll. So I noticed that the trolls are not really coming that much. Because they're realizing, man, you know, Bitcoin is a roller coaster. One day is up, one day is down. So I think the trolls are getting smarter. Okay, I think the trolls are getting smarter. So they don't want to get too happy. Or some people are getting happy like crazy. So Jared said, "What's going on in the stock market is about to explode. They don't want people running to crypto. That's why I'm taking my short profits and buying silver." Let me just read these questions here. I'm just looking at the questions right now, guys. Big said, "Hey Ben, are you seeing 62 as the next big resistance? Always enjoy your channel." Honestly, the way this thing is dropping, there's no big resistance at all. Okay, what I see is the way it's going down like this. What I see is most likely we're going to try to hit that 66,000 level again. Honestly, I don't know how. I mean, honestly, I didn't even think we was going to go down this quick. Okay, I didn't think we was going to go down this quick. So I don't know how long will it take Bitcoin to hit that 6,000 level. Honestly, I swear to you, I thought it was going to probably be another month or so. But the way it's going down, this thing could be maybe by the end of the week, but we don't know. But anyway, most likely going to bring this thing back down to 6,000, and we're going to see buyers come back in. Okay, and guess what, guys? People are going to have false hope again. Okay, but they're not going to prop it up that much again. It's probably going to just consolidate. Okay, it's going to consolidate probably at the 6,000 level, maybe for a week or two, and then it's probably just going to break right back down. Okay, so let me see. Eugene said, "I guess soon the biggest support for cryptos would be the collapse in the stock market." Eugene, shout out to you. I don't know if you're new to the channel, Eugene. I don't know if you're new to the channel. Okay, man. Gosh, Lee. Yo, shout out to Mikey Diamonds, man. He's up 2006. Oh, my gosh. Let me give him a round of applause, guys. He's up. Gosh, bro. Honestly, because I have a Discord room, guys. I have a Discord room, and I saw him post that he was up $1,000, $1,000, and now he's up 2,600. Gosh, he's killing it right now, guys. And Mikey Diamonds, let people know how much you risk on that trade to make that much money. Okay, so let people know how much you risk. Mikey Diamonds, let people know how much you risked on that trade to make that much. And he's making more as we speak, because the market is just going straight down. So he's making more. But let people know how much you put up, how much you risk. Okay, so basically, what I mean by that, Mikey Diamonds, is let's say that you got stopped out. Let's say that you had your stop loss. You knew exactly where your stop loss was going to be. If you got stopped out, how much would you basically lose if you got stopped out? Because I want people to know. Okay, so 1,200. Okay, so this is what I want people to see. Okay, this is what I want people to see. This is what I want people to see. All the people that don't know what's going on. Okay, this is what I want you guys to see. He said he put up 1,200. Okay, He's up 2,600. So that's double his money less than a day. Okay? Less than a day. So for all y'all haters out here that think that this is a game and the stuff I talk about and I teach about is a game, it's not, guys. It's not. He's making what most people won't even make in a month, in 1 month. Some people don't even make 2,600 in 1 month. Okay? He's making that less than a day. Come on, man. And some of you guys just piss me off because you come on a channel, you listen to what I'm saying, but you nod in your head, right? You saying, okay, I hear you. But you're not really getting the message. You're not. You basically leaving so much money on the table because you want to be hard-headed. You think that you know it all. You think that everything will be okay. The bulls will come in, okay? So let me go back to Eugene. Eugene, are you new to the channel? Let me go back to Eugene because this is exactly what I'm talking about right here, okay? Exactly what I'm talking about. So Eugene said, I guess soon the biggest support for cryptos will be the collapse in the stock market. Trillions will flood the crypto markets. This is exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys. Okay? Exactly what I'm talking about that. Okay? Shout out to Eugene. I'm not Eugene. I'm not picking on you, Eugene. Okay? But at the same time, the reason why you're talking like that is because you saw that either on the news or you heard that from your favorite YouTuber. That's the only reason why you said that. Okay, you either heard that from the news or you saw that from your YouTuber, and I want you to stop thinking that way because you don't know what's going to happen. Okay, because if you want to, just think about this, guys. I love cryptos the same way you love cryptos, but I'm also a realist. Okay, why would someone that's losing money from the stock market, right? They losing money from the stock market. Why would they take their money out the stock market and put it to another and put it into another market that's going down? Does that make any sense, guys? Let's be real for a second. And this is why I'm talking about stop listening to these stupid YouTubers in the news, okay? Because that's not going to put money in your pocket. Does that even make any sense? I'm going to take my money out. I'm losing money. I'm going to take it out to put it in another market that is not regulated. First of all, it's not regulated. And second of all, it's going down just like the stock market. So why would someone do that? It doesn't even make any sense. Okay? So stop listening to these stupid YouTubers. The reason why Mikey Diamonds, one of my students, the reason why he's making money right now, because he don't care about that. He doesn't care about this stupid news, right? He don't care about the stupid news. He don't care about the ETFs. He doesn't care about BAT or anything else, okay? Any type of outside so-called institution that claim they coming into the market. He don't care about anything that stuff, right? I mean, he don't care about none of that stuff. All he's doing is looking at the chart, okay? Looking at the numbers because that's what the charts are, okay? Is the numbers. He's basing everything on the numbers, on certain patterns, and he's making money. Okay, this is what I do, guys, full time. This is how I make my money. I don't care about no news. News never made me money. Okay? So you guys, come on my channel. You see me talk every single day, but I don't think you guys is hearing me. I just don't think. There's no way some of you guys is hearing me. Because you have some a belief that you think is real, but it's not. Okay? Guys, your beliefs are not reality. I say this all the time. Your beliefs are not reality. Put it like this. Let me ask you this question. I'm quite sure a lot of you guys went on a job interview, right? I'm quite sure a lot of you guys went on a job interview. right? And then you went on a job interview. You swore up and down that, it was good. Like everything went well. Even the person that was interviewing you, they said that, it was going good. And you went home, you like, man, I swear, I know I got this job. I know it. Okay. And maybe a week later, you call them up and you ask them, hey man, is that job still available? Did I get it or not? Well, I'm sorry, John, but we decided to go with someone else. And you hang up the phone, you pissed, right? Because you swore up and down like, I got that job. That's something that we all deal with, right? It's something that we do all the time. Okay, we basically confuse beliefs with reality because our beliefs feel so strong, they feel so real, guys. Our beliefs feel so real that it is. We think our beliefs are reality. Okay, and I'm here to tell you guys, it doesn't work in the markets. That doesn't work. Trust me. I've been doing this for so long. Okay, I never ever made money based on, or a lot of money based on my beliefs. Okay, it was based on a system that I had to create because I had to study the market. Okay, even right here when I took this short right here. Okay, I thought, honestly, my beliefs, right? I believed that the market will, would have at least go to maybe 9,000 or something, right? Or 95. That was my beliefs. But the chart told me, hey, man, hey, Ben, okay, we going down right now. So this is why I took this short and made money, because I couldn't really go. I would never make money based on my beliefs. This chart has to tell me what's going on. I do it all the time, even when I day trade during the day. Okay, during the day, I'm looking at the chart. I'm like, man, this thing look like this thing could go up even higher. And a lot of times it never do. Okay, this is why I stick to a certain pattern. I try not to get too cocky, because when you get too cocky, that's when things happen, right? If you get too cocky, okay, that's what most people do. They get too cocky and they go against their plan. Okay, they go against their strategy. That's when they start losing money, okay? Because you're too cocky. You think you know it all. So shout out to Mikey Diamonds making his money. I'm quite sure he's gonna keep on updating us. But let's go to some questions here. This is nuts, guys. I mean, look at this drop right here, guys. We are going down even more as we speak. This is nuts. This is it. It's a wrap. Done deal. Done deal. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. I'm reading these questions, so give me a second. Okay. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay. Type your questions in the chat box. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I'll get to your question. Taylor said you can't be mentally attached to when money is involved. Yes, exactly. I agree. Some people love their coin. They think that their coin will never go down even more. But hey, man, sometimes they just gotta learn. Just gotta learn, man. Dom said we are bullish. shout out to you, Dom. And if I'm late to your comments, guys, forgive me. I'm just I'm in the zone right now, guys. So when I'm in the zone, I just go and I let the zone, take over. Let me see. Has Tether blew up? Man. Michelle said, okay, so shout out to you. I'm learning. I don't even have anything. Okay, you're learning. Okay, that's what's up. Yeah, so Michelle, if you have the course, that means that are you in the Discord room? K Vargas, shout out to him. He actually bought the course earlier. He bought the course my last live stream, and he said that he is definitely good so far. So shout out to him, man. He said it's a must cop. It's a must cop. It's a must get. So shout out to him, man. Let me give him another round of applause for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. I'm passionate about this stuff. I'm passionate about helping people and basically showing people another way and showing people how you can actually make money in this market, because I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes I made. Let's see here. Damn, guys, we hit that 62. That's crazy. Okay. Alex said crypto scam. Crypto scam. Sheesh. I'll read these questions, so give me a second, guys. Give me a second. All right, so shout out to Dom. Shout out to Dom, guys. He gave me €5. Shout out to him, man. Appreciate it. He said, Ben, you are a true legend, a great man. Okay, thanks a lot, man. He said, thanks for everything, brothers. Thanks a lot, Dom, I appreciate it. Let me give you a round of applause. Let me give you a round of applause. Thank you for that super chat. Okay, and if you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, let me know, guys. I'll definitely get to your question. Because right now the market looks ugly right now, and I know some of you guys need some type of I don't know, I wouldn't even say motivation, but you need something good to hear. Maybe I can give you something good to hear today. Okay. Oh man, they said that I hope we see 1K tonight before we wake up. That's crazy. Let me see here. Congrats to everybody that got Ben's course. Get out the matrix. Yes, get out this matrix, man. John said the hodl matrix. Exactly. Shout out to Dom again. Sheesh. Shout out to Dom again. Hit me with that $10 euro. Ben, you should listen to CNBC News at least. They are the best indicator, better than MACD. Oh man, that's funny. The CNBC is the new MACD, guys. It's the new MACD. So you don't have to put the MACD or the RSI on your chart no more. Just use CNBC. Shout out to Dom. Let me give him a round of applause again. Giving me that super chat. That's funny though. That's funny right there. That's true though. CNBC is the worst. It's the worst, man. Honestly, I don't know how to get away with that stuff, but this market is not regulated anyway, so I guess it is what it is. Alex said Bitcoin trash. So I'm trying to catch up to these comments. Satellite said I'm bullish on being bearish. That's a good one, man. Yeah, so Rachel, if you're not in a Discord, okay, tell your boyfriend or whoever that bought the course, okay, send me proof that you got the course, and as soon as you send me proof that you got the course, I will give you that Discord link, okay, and once you get into that link, you're gonna see updates. I made some updates, and I show you the different brokers that you can use. Some people use BitMEX. But if you live in the United States, you have to. I think some people are using like a VPN or the Tor browser. Let me see. Aces said, "Do I make more money short in BTC?" No, I make more money from my day trading because that's. I focus more on that. If cryptos was my main thing, then I would focus more on cryptos. But I focus more on day trading the financial markets. Let me see here. Man, there's a lot of comments today. So I'm trying to catch up. It was Mount Gox. You said look it up. I'm reading these comments, so give me a second. Like I said before, if you're new to the channel, man, if you have any questions, let me know. I know some of you guys are just not feeling too good right now. So if you have any questions, let me know. XX said, is it fair to say we're going to 5K? That would be huge. I didn't think the pullback would be this much. 5K, honestly, basically we are approaching these lows again. Okay, we're gonna have some type of most likely we're gonna have some type of bounce around these lows again. Maybe we don't have to, but most likely we probably will. And then once we break these lows, we basically from there it's not gonna go straight down. It's gonna break out, but we're gonna wiggle down. 5K is probably definitely a stop that Bitcoin will reach, but that doesn't mean that it can't go lower than 5K. Okay, I think it will go much lower than 5K. Eugene said, yes, I'm new to the channel. I traded Forex 10 years. Now I'm here because it's time to invest. I know I can't catch deeps on long term. It'd be good entry points. And yes, stock market and Forex will flood. So Eugene said the stock market and the Forex will flood cryptos. Look what happened into. So Eugene, okay. Honestly, Eugene, you can't, over here, that's nice that you think like that, or you think, what, you can have a opinion. I don't care. You can think whatever you want, but over here we don't talk, or I try to not, I try to correct someone when they talk in absolutes. Okay. So when you say, yes, the stock market and the Forex will flood cryptos. When you say will flood, that means that you're talking in absolutes. That means you're playing God right there. Okay, you basically telling me that you control the situation and you know what's going to happen. Okay, so over here I always try to correct someone when they talk in absolutes, because no one is God over here. And no one could basically tell you what's going to happen. Okay, so like I said, you're new to my channel, and it's okay, but at the same time, I go through this all the time. Okay, it's something that's called beliefs versus reality. Okay, Okay, so I understand that you might believe that, but that's not reality. Let me see. XX said I sold at 62. I'm gathering like 2 more from this drop. So you sold what, XX? I know, right? A whole month of climbing up. You see what Bima Bro said? A whole month of climbing up in Bitcoin, basically wiping out these games. This is what the bear market is about, guys. It's about playing with your emotions and making you think one thing and they doing something else, guys. This is why you see YouTubers getting happy. Oh, I'm bullish. I remember looking at a video yesterday. Somebody say, "Oh, guys, this is the best time to buy right now." Okay? Best time to buy right now. And this is what I explained to you guys. You see how the market goes up, but it's going up choppy, it's going up in the channel. They do that on purpose. They going up slow on purpose. It's to hypnotize you. It's to make you feel like the market is going up forever. They could just, trust me, if they wanted to, they can just go up, real quick. They could have just went up real quick, but they didn't want to do that, okay? This is why I tell you guys, man, we are competing against the smartest guys on the planet, bro. They understand how you think. They understand how you behave, how you react to certain situations. They know how to play with your emotions. They know what trigger you, okay? They know how to do everything, man. You're playing with the smartest guys, guy. So you have to understand, when we going up like this, they doing this on purpose. And the next thing you know, boom, they just drop everything on you. And they doing it so quickly because they doing it, in a way where it catch you off guard. You don't have no time to react. You like, oh my gosh. You don't have no time to react. It's just so quick. So like this Bima Bro said, 1 month is just out of here, disappeared. Let me see here. And it's funny because I'm trying to teach you guys the game. I'm trying to teach you the game. Okay? The game is not about reading white papers and okay, this sounds good. All right, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy right now because a YouTuber told me to buy. That's not what the game is about. The game is about competing against the best. Okay, you are competing against the best. This is why I would never, ever, ever go against the trend. Okay, last year we was going up. So guess what? I'm buying. This year we going down. So guess what? I'm shorting. We have no, guys, the money that these guys play with, we don't even have 1% of that money. So it is what it is. Let me see. He said, when do you step out your short? Well, I mean, you should know where you want to get out at when you're in a short. Okay. So, if you feel like you got a lot of money right now, you can get out right now. Okay. But, if you feel like this is it. Okay. Then it's up to you if you want to see, what you can do is you can lock in. Like I said, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but you can lock in some profits. Let me my question is now, will we see another straight dump tonight? Well, we seeing it, Dom. I don't know if I'm getting your question late, but there is another dump right here. Another dump is right here. So, that's the dump right there, Dom. How can I send proof? Do you have my email address? Email me. And, take a picture of the screenshot. Okay, take a picture of the screenshot of, I guess, the receipt. Right, the receipt. Okay. And I will send you that Discord link. I'm gonna give you my email address right now. Let me see here. Lucas said, "I'm hodling forever." That's funny right there. Dom said, "I can't wait to see YouTube channels tomorrow." Facts. That's facts, man. So, you know, shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot. Sean said, "I sent you email to get the Discord." When did you send it, Sean? Did you send it today or what? Okay, so if you don't have this course by now, check it out. Okay, if you're late to the stream, I'm gonna go over a couple of people that made a couple of my students actually that made money from the strategies from this course. So let me give, because during the live stream I'll give you guys that discount. So shout out to everybody that don't have this course. This course would basically show you how to make money right now in this current market. Most people just don't know how to. Okay, they're closed-minded. They just think everything is just gravy. Okay, they think that, you know, we're going to see 50K by the end of this year. And we in a bear market. And the bear market will always trick you. Always make it feel like we're about to go up and it just go right back down. So if you are confused and you don't know what's going on and you're wondering how me and my students are making money in this current market, then, you know, this course is it right here. It's the best course on the crypto market. I will put this course against any course. Name it. I don't care what course. Bring me a course, and I can guarantee you this no course out here is giving you the same results that I'm getting my students. Just go look at my testimonials. Okay, people are making money left and right. My top student made $21,000 less than a week and a half. Okay, Bema Bros, he actually, I had a live stream earlier today. He was up 800, and then I went back to the Discord. He updated. Now his 800 turned to $1,007.68. Okay. We just talked to who was that? Mikey Diamonds, one of my other students. Basically, he's up $2,600. He was just basically, he was up $1,000, $1,000. Okay, now he's up $2,600. And you know, in a day or so. So some people don't even make that in 1 month. So if you want to learn all that stuff, check out this course. You definitely wouldn't be, you know, you're not gonna be disappointed. It will show you how to make money in this current market, show you how to be a professional. And also, when you get this course, it comes with a Discord link, so you can chat with me and my traders. Okay, only for $110, guys. I should charge $400 or $500 for this, but I'm trying to give you guys a chance. But, you know, like I said, this is only the live stream price. So once I get off this live stream, it's going right back to 210. Shout out to all my students. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I just put that link into the Discord. Let me shout out. Let me give you guys that's making this money that ka-ching button. Shout out to all you guys that's making this money. Okay, let me give you guys a round of applause because it's just what it is. Just what it is. Let me see if I have any questions here. Gosh, Lee, Mikey Diamond said he made 3,200. So this is the update, guys. He made $3,200 today. Read it. It's in a comment. So if you're watching this live stream, read it. You think I'm joking? Most people think I'm joking. I come on these live streams pretty much every week, and I think a lot of people think I'm joking when I say this stuff. Like, this stuff works. I wouldn't be able to come on these live streams every week if my stuff didn't work. Someone basically would call me out by now. This is what I do full time. Okay, I do this full time. Shout out to all my students that basically supported this channel, bought the course, took that risk, and bought the course, and now they have a new set of eyes. Okay, they see the market, much differently, because it's a market that allows you to make money if you are willing to look at it in a way that you are not closed-minded. Okay, most people are just closed-minded and they just think one way. So shout out to you guys. This whole market, this whole year is not a buy and hold year. It's a swing trading year. We are taking advantage of these swings. Okay, if you don't know what a swing is, it's just basically a pullback. Okay, we're taking advantage of these pullbacks in the market. The market never goes up, straight up or straight down. Okay, it pulls back. So we're taking advantage of these pullbacks, these drops. Okay, when the market goes up like this, guys, most people think that it's a bull market and we're going to the moon. The way I'm looking at it is a pullback. That's all it is. Okay, this is why I shorted right here. We was at a key level. I shorted right here. Boom. A lot of my students made money off that. So a lot of my students are actually making money off this. So, it is what it is. Let's see if I see any questions here. Okay. And honestly, let's go to and shout out to Mikey Diamonds again, making that 3,200 today. Let's go to ETH. Let's go to ETH real quick. Damn, guys, look at ETH. ETH looking crazy out here. Okay, ETH. Let me see. ETH hit that 207, something like that. Let's look at XRP. Okay, XRP is looking horrible. TRX is horrible too. Let's look at that Litecoin. Sheesh. Okay, let's look at that Ethereum Classic. Okay, and another pump and dump. Ethereum Classic, another pump and dump. That's why, I told you guys to be careful. I know that, when they got listed, it was just a pump and dump. We in a bear market, so just be careful out here, guys. Just be careful. ADA dropping like crazy. So everything is dropping. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Let's refresh this page. Let's see if the Bitcoin dominance went up. Okay, so the Bitcoin dominance is at 54, so it's not that crazy right now. But the market cap, literally, I think it probably went, because the market pulled back a little bit, so it probably went to 199 or something like that. So the market cap is going back to these to the 100s again. So it's a bloodbath we're looking at right now. We're looking at a bloodbath. So gosh, if you're new to the channel and you have any questions, let me know. Let me read these questions here. I'm reading these questions right here. So Sean said you sent me that email about the Discord room. So yeah, Sean, if you sent me 10 minutes ago, I'm definitely going to check it out when I get off. Definitely going to check it out when I get off this live stream. Yeah, hit these likes. Hit these likes, guys. Definitely hit the likes. SS says, should I sell my ETH? Well, SS, put it like this. You should get my course. How about that? You know, I'm gonna be blunt right here because only reason why I'm being blunt is because there's no other way to put it. Okay, if you are watching this live stream and you're looking at people making money, and you're trying to figure out how that's possible, and you're losing money right now, the best way to sit down, right, absorb some real information step by step is to get my course, because that will basically tell you everything you will need to know for this crypto market. All right, so let me see here.
Does hiring feel like this? It shouldn't.
All right, I'm reading these questions, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know, please. Let me know if you have any questions. Jared said Ethereum going to 100. Yeah, I can see that. Mikey Diamonds, you out? All right. So shout out to Mikey Diamonds. You out of your short? That's what you're talking about? Because I'm reading these questions late. So okay. So yeah, Mikey Diamonds out this short. So all right, that's what's up. I'm reading these questions late. I'm all over the place right now. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Mikey Diamonds is killing it, man. He's killing it, bro. He's literally killing it, money-wise. You said, what's the minimum? Chronicle said, what's the minimum investment to start with after watching your course? So you can actually start with $80-something. $100 is up to you. I mean, 45. One of my students basically started with $80-something, and he turned that to like $700. So it's up to you, man. You honestly, you don't need a big chunk. Honestly, Bema Bros just told you that he risk 1,200, 1,200 to make his 3,200, guys. He basically tripled his money, and probably less than a day. So you don't need that much money, guys. It's up to you now. Everything is up to you. You know. You are the only person, and when I'm saying you, I'm talking about anybody that's closed-minded. You are the only person. You're the only reason why, you know, you're at the same level right now. Okay, you are holding yourself back if you don't want to experience quality information. Okay. And like I tell you guys before, I don't care where you get your information from. As long as you understand how this market works, you will be in a better space. So let me go up. Pump and dump. Yeah, man. Yep. Shout out to Mikey Diamonds, man, making his money. All right, let me give him that ka-ching once again. All right. So if you're new to the channel, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. So guys, I'm on my chart, right? I'm lying. I'm sorry. I'm not on my chart. I'm on one of my videos, actually my last video. Oh man, that's funny. I'm on my last video, right? The last video that I created, my last live stream, and someone comment under the video, and he said, "Hey man, sorry mate, I'm seeing your video and I don't agree. Every time Bitcoin crashes, it flies again, so I don't agree." Okay. Actually, let me get this laugh button, guys. Let me get this laugh button real quick. Hold on. Let me see if I can find this laugh button. This is funny. Yeah, I'm gonna read it again. I'm gonna read this again. Okay, I'm gonna read this again. All right. So he said, "Hey mate, sorry mate, I'm seeing your video and I don't agree. Every time Bitcoin crashes, it flies again, so I don't agree." So let me hit that laugh button. Let me hit that laugh button real quick. So he don't agree because he said that every time Bitcoin crashes, it flies up again. Guys, I don't know what chart he's watching, but whatever he's talking about is literally the opposite. It's the opposite. I don't know what chart he's actually looking at, but it's the opposite. It's every time Bitcoin goes up, it drops back down. So I don't know exactly what he's talking about. You know, I'm sorry that you think like that. You can disagree with me. I'm cool with that, but I don't know what chart you're looking at, because it's honestly the opposite. We are basically going. We are so much. Bitcoin is down like 70% for the whole year. So how can you say every time Bitcoin crashes, it flies back up? So how come we down so much? How come most of these altcoins are down 85% this year, right? 90% this year. So that doesn't make any sense at all. But hey, like I said before, those are the people that are very close-minded. Okay, and it is what it is. And you know, but let me see if I see any questions here. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. I'm about to get off this live stream soon. Mikey Diamond says, Chronicle, just get started. Yeah, definitely you can do that. There's no minimum. Let me see here. Oh man. He said, guess you can draw the fourth circle now. So yeah, let me draw the fourth circle. That was funny. He said, you guess I can draw that fourth circle, because I've been drawing these circles, guys. Okay, I've been drawing these circles because the market basically been going up, right, and dropping down, and every time it goes pull back, right, it's shorter than the last swing. So you see how we went up, we went right back down, we went up. This is shorter than this one. This one is shorter than this one, and now this one is shorter than this one. So you know, this is why I just don't understand to this day why people get so hyped. You know, when the market goes up. Bitcoin in the past showed us that this is how they play. This is the games they play. Do you see support at 6,000? Temporary support. Honestly, guys, Hector, are you new to the channel? if you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Hector, are you new to the channel? And guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me good on the thing? Okay, yeah, Hector. So, let me ask you this, Hector. Since you are new to the channel, do you think Bitcoin will, if it hits 6,000 and form support, do you think Bitcoin will reverse and go back up? What's going on, Jared? You said Bitcoin lost 1K in a day. I know, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. That's nuts. Guys, I mean, Bitcoin just dropped so much right now, guys. In one day. Okay, in a couple of days, it just dropped. Catching everybody off guard. Okay. Honestly, I can't wait to see when I get off this when I get off this live stream. I can't wait to see these bullish YouTubers. I can't wait to see what type of videos they're gonna make. Gosh, I can't wait. Damn. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. You're gonna have people apologizing. So Hector said maybe a little back to the trend line. Okay, so Hector, like I said before, actually let me ask you another question, Hector. Do you actually know how to make money in this current market right now? Do you know how to make money, or actually, are you making money in this current market? Do you know how to make money right now as we speak? Let's see what's going on else. What's going on? Let me see here. Dom said tomorrow watching YouTube. Yeah, exactly. Remember I said, I think in my last stream, or maybe this stream, I said that YouTube is basically my new entertainment channel. I don't have to go to the movies. I can stay home and watch crypto YouTubers. So, what's going on, buddy? Hector said, I'm an amateur. I made money last move, though. Okay. And Hector, did you sell? Hector, let me ask you this. You made money to the upside, okay? I'm guessing. Did you take your profits, Hector? Did you take your profits? Or are you still holding your the money that you made? Let me see what's going on here. What's going on, Richard? Richard said, Far Rock, stand up. So that's good. I'm glad, Hector, that you are, I'm glad you're taking your profits. So shout out to Hector. That's good. Because some people, at least you are doing better than some people that don't know how to take profits. So shout out to you. But Hector, eventually, buying in this market is going to get harder and harder. The reason why buying right now in this market is very easy is because Bitcoin is in this range. Okay, so it's bouncing off these major support levels. But when Bitcoin breaks out this range, it's going to be very hard for a lot of people to make money on the buy side. So you have to figure out another strategy. Okay, so support at 6,000. If we're going to test support again, Honestly, it's like pretty much a 90% chance, actually a 98% chance, most likely, this thing's going to break lower, and we're going to hit the 5,000. So you have to understand that once it breaks this big channel that we was in for the longest, you know, pretty much it's a wrap. You know, this thing could go down so low, it's ridiculous. So you have to come up with a strategy that allows you to make money whether the market is going up or down. Okay, this is why you've seen us, me and my students, we are able to make money in this current market. Okay, buying and holding in this market is not it. It's not it. Not this current market. Not this year. Okay, but you're gonna definitely need to understand what's going on, because it's gonna come a point where the market most likely is gonna be so low that you're gonna be scratching your head. Hey, what's going on, buddy? I'm about to get out of here though. I'm about to get out of here too. Rachel said I need to make money, so yeah, shout out to Rachel. Rachel, send me that email, okay? So I can give you that link to that Discord, okay? And that goes with anybody else, okay? Once you get this course, you get that Discord link, okay? Once you get this course, you get that Discord link. You can talk to us, me and my traders, and you know, we talk about crypto, post charts, and just send me proof that you bought the course, so you can get that link. But I'm about to get out of here soon. I hope you guys are okay, and I hope some of you guys are not, you know, feeling it right now. It would be nice if a lot of you guys is making money, but you know, but I guarantee you this, guys. I guarantee you that if this market go to 6,000, a lot of people are going to try to buy this level, because most likely buyers will come at this level again, and then people going to try to buy this market up again like crazy. And you know, I think, you know, they're going to get trapped. So let's go to the 4-hour. Let's see what's going on here. So yes, so what we're looking at here is basically they taking out all these stops right here, all these stops, boom, boom, boom. So I think the next level right here would be here. The next level will be right here. There's probably a lot of stops below here, below this low. So most likely they're gonna go below what is that, 62 right here. And like I said, we gotta take this day by day. We gotta take this day by day. Yes, good night, Rachel. Thanks a lot. Okay. But anyway, guys, shout out to you guys, man. Thanks a lot for coming through my stream. I appreciate it. I know some, like, you know, some of you guys just don't understand what's going on. Like I said, one guy just wrote me that every time Bitcoin goes down and bounce right back up, and you know, you have people like that are so brainwashed by these YouTubers and their beliefs that they don't see what's really going on. Okay, they don't see that we're down 70% or even more. Like Bitcoin's down what, 70-75% around there for the whole year, and a lot of these altcoins are down even more, 85-90%. So how can you say a statement like that? Okay, the market is down. So shout out to you guys. I'm about to get out of here. Be careful out here. Shout out to everybody that's making this money though. Be careful though. Like I said before, be careful. This is a brutal market. The market doesn't want you to make money. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Give all you guys a round of applause. Everybody that's that tuned in today. All you guys that tuned in today, thanks a lot for tuning in. And you know, just study the market, guys. I told you. I don't care if you go to a library. I don't care how you study the market. Just study it, because that's how you're going to be a step ahead of most of these YouTubers and crypto investors. All right, so thanks a lot. I don't know if I'm going to make a stream tomorrow, but shout out to you guys. And talk to you guys later. Have a good night. And just be careful out in it, you know. Just be careful out here.